root x plus root x equals x, solving for x. So if you add this to this will be 2 root x, and this equals x. So what we can do is to divide this by 2. We divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. I have square root of x equals x divided by 2. So the next step will be to take the squares of both part of this equation. I raise this to the power of 2. I raise this to the power of 2. So what happens here is that this eliminate this. I have x equals for this. I distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. I have x squared divided by 2 squared. So from here, I have x equals, this is x squared divided by 4. This over 1, I cross multiply. So from here, I will have 4 times x, that is 4x equals 1 times x squared, that is x squared. So what I can do will be to move 4x over here. I have x squared minus 4x equals 0. So to solve for x, I can factor out x. I have x times this divides x. I have x minus this divides x. I have 4 equals 0. I equate each of these to 0. I have x equals 0 as my first solution. I also have x minus 4 equals 0. I move this over here. I have x2 equals 4. So I have two solutions, 0 and 4. I can decide to check. For each of these solutions, I have square root of x plus square root of x equals x. Let's start with when x equals 0. That means I have square root of 0 plus square root of 0 equals 0, question mark. Square root of 0 is 0 plus square root of 0 is 0, and this equals 0. Impressive, that is correct. We also check when x equals 4. So you have x equals 4, which is square root of x plus square root of x equals x. Our x is 4. You have square root of 4 plus square root of 4. Is this equals 4? Question mark. Square root of 4 is 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. Is this equals 4? 2 plus 2 is 4, which equals 4. This also satisfies the equation, so the two solutions are proven to be correct, and this is it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.